today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Hopefully you enjoyed the weekend because the weekend was pretty nice.
Yes, I would say Saturday was nice, just a little bit windy. And then yesterday was nice after the rain cleared out.
Yeah, cleared out nicely.
Yes, so we are going to be seeing cooler weather this week, though, continue.
Yeah, well.
We'll get warmer
Yeah, that's
again,
for sure.
Hopefully. So let's take a look now at the temperatures to start. We are pretty chilly. We're in the 30s mostly. We have 39 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls and 34 degrees in Earlville. At this point, we are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but today through Wednesday, it will remain a little bit unsettled as we continue to see pop-up rain showers in the afternoon. So pop-up rain showers both today and tomorrow, with a little bit more rain showers coming in Wednesday. Looks to be scattered showers, and then we do clear out for Thursday and Friday, remaining just around average for this time of year with some sunshine. So it looks like the weather will improve towards the end of the week. As for today, we will be seeing cloud cover, isolated showers here and there, and a little bit breezy. And I will talk a little bit more about the chances of rain this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now. There is no major...
Welcome back. Here's a rundown of the rain expected this week. For both today and tomorrow, pop-up showers are possible. It looks like we'll be seeing more today compared to tomorrow. Both days look mostly cloudy with a few peaks of sunshine later in the afternoon, early evening, right before sunset. Then on Wednesday, we do see more clouds come in, and it looks like we'll be seeing more showers likely. Looks to be scattered, light showers possible Wednesday afternoon. We do dry out for the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, and we start to see sunshine for those days, and we start to warm up in the upper 50s on Thursday and in the low 60s for Friday. So if you did want to spend time outside, do any yard work or any gardening, I would say today through Wednesday, you don't need to water anything because it is going to be raining with a few showers here and there. And then we do dry out for Thursday and Friday. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. More gun violence is rattling.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with some clouds this morning, and it is a little bit chilly as we are in the 30s. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies to start, but it is dry. It's just a little bit chilly, so I would definitely grab the jacket when heading out the door. We will remain below average today as highs just reach the low 50s. And taking a look at our temperatures, once again, 30s to low 40s. We have 33 degrees in Inlet, 37 degrees in Dowdesville and in Deansboro. And if we take a look to the south, 38 degrees in Cooperstown and in Sherburne. It is going to be a little bit breezy for both today and tomorrow as we remain on the cooler side, but winds do die down for Wednesday and Thursday, and we start to warm up to just around average for Thursday. We are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking cloud cover, no breeze yet. The breeze looks to pick up later, and pop-up showers look to pick up later as well. So it looks like we could be seeing a few areas of just light drizzle, pop-up showers in the afternoon. Same thing goes to tomorrow. Tomorrow's day is going to be very similar to today as we remain on the cooler side, just in the low 50s for the high temperature, with pop-up rain showers and more clouds than sun. We see a little bit more showers come in on Wednesday, scattered showers, and then we dry out for the end of the week on Thursday and on Friday. We start to warm up on Thursday and Friday as well. But even though it is cooler and we are seeing some showers this week, the pollen count is still pretty high. It will remain high for most of this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if you do have allergies, take that extra preparation, as it probably is going to bother you a little bit this week. On our Skycast today, once again, clouds to start. It looks to remain mostly cloudy for today, and we do see a few pop-up showers develop right before noon, so late morning, early afternoon. Highs are just going to be in the low 50s, and it is going to be a little bit breezy. Then tonight, we do dry out to partly cloudy skies, and the low falls around freezing. Tomorrow, we will be seeing more clouds than sun once again, and pop-up showers develop tomorrow. Early afternoon, highs just in the low 50s with a few breaks in the clouds for some sun right before sunset. So for today, expect cloud cover, but then we do see a few breaks in those clouds for some sun. It's just going to be breezy with pop-up showers, even just areas of drizzle this afternoon. Highs in the low 50s, and we dry out but drop to around freezing tonight. Tomorrow is going to be very similar to today. We see pop-up showers develop in the afternoon, a few breaks in the clouds for some sun, breezy with highs in the low 50s. Scattered showers come in on Wednesday, and we dry out and start to warm up towards the end of the week. Gary?
So, not too bad of a weekend, and now a little chillier, but not too bad.
Yeah, it's just going to be in the 50s. It's below average for this time of year. I don't think it's too cold.
Yeah, we got Thursday and Friday to look forward to.
Yes.
Coming up, some may call it a trap hour. I'm Gary Liberatore.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Boy, you can feel the energy from the odd from that announcer, can't you?
Yes,
Wow.
crazy.
Go Comets.
Yes, go Comets.
Yeah.
Good for them.
That's for sure. Toronto coming up, I think, this Thursday night, so good luck to them.
Yeah, and it should be nice weather for that, but I don't know up in Toronto. But here it looks to be nice. It looks to be raining for most of this week with pop-up showers, but then by Thursday we look to dry out.
Yeah, better days are ahead.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures to start. A little bit chilly. We are in the 30s, 34 degrees in Earlville, 37 degrees in Cooperstown. We will warm up today, but we'll still be below average for this time of year. We'll just be in the low 50s. And this is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are mostly dry. We will be seeing pop-up showers develop this afternoon. It's not going to be a lot, light drizzle. Same thing goes for tomorrow and for Wednesday. So we will be seeing pop-up showers for both today and tomorrow with more clouds and sun and a little bit breezy. Light showers come in on Wednesday, so a little bit more than those pop-up showers. And then we do dry out as we head into Thursday and Friday, and it gets a little bit warmer, highs just around average for this time of year. So for today, expect cloud cover, a few peaks of sunshine, pop-up showers possible, highs just in the low 50s. I will talk a little bit more about the chance of rain for this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. And don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. Decision 2024 now.
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are just at 41 degrees this morning, being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, with cloudy skies and calm wind speeds, but a few peaks of sunshine are possible later, and it will get breezy later as well. But this week, we will remain below average until the end of this week. Our average high for this time of year is 58 degrees. So today, tomorrow, Wednesday, just in the lower 50s. Once we hit Thursday, that's when we will reach to just around average again. Same thing for Friday as we start to warm up to near and in the low 60s for the high temperature. But this week does remain a little bit unsettled. We see pop-up showers today and tomorrow, and they do get a little bit heavier as scattered showers come in on Wednesday, but then we do dry out for some sun towards the end of the week. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Clinton Tractor is celebrating 70 years in.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and a little bit chilly this morning with pop-up showers possible this afternoon. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies to start, and I would definitely grab the jacket when heading out the door. It is going to remain on the cooler side today with temperatures remaining below average. Our temperatures at this point are mainly in the 30s. We have 39 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls and 40 degrees in Westmoreland. And if we take a look to the south, just 35 degrees in Sherburne and in Schenevus here this morning. It also is just going to be a little bit breezy for both today and tomorrow as we do remain below average, so it may feel a bit chilly outside. But we start to warm up a little bit more on Wednesday with temperatures reaching just around average again on Thursday, and that's when the winds do die down a little bit. Here's our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions, mostly dry conditions for this morning, but we will be seeing a few light pop-up showers possible this afternoon, and same thing for tomorrow afternoon. Along with more clouds than sun, a few peaks of sunshine are possible, and once again, it does get a little bit breezy. So today and tomorrow are going to be very similar in the days. We are going to be seeing mostly dry conditions in the morning with pop-up showers developing in the afternoon, highs just in the low low 50s, and a few peaks of sunshine are possible as well. We do see more showers coming on Wednesday, look to be a little bit heavier, a little bit more scattered, and then we do dry out as we head into the end of the week on Thursday and Friday. Although it is going to be raining a little bit this week and it is going to be on the cooler side, that pollen count is still pretty high for most of this week. Monday through Wednesday it's high, so if you do have allergies, I would definitely take the precautions necessary before heading out the door. So for today, we are tracking clouds this morning. A few breaks in the clouds are possible, but we do see some pop-up showers develop just around noon, and that continues for the rest of the day. Highs just in the low 50s. We dry out and see partly cloudy skies tonight, but it gets chilly. Lows fall around freezing, and tomorrow we will be seeing cloud cover come back in. A few breaks in the clouds are possible, but then pop-up showers are also possible in the afternoon as we reach the low 50s. So for today, expect cloud cover. A few breaks in the clouds are possible, but it is going to be breezy. Highs just in the low 50s with pop-up showers, and then tonight we dry out to a low around freezing. Same weather for tomorrow. We reach the low 50s. Pop-up showers are possible in the afternoon with a few breaks in the clouds for some sun. We see more showers come in on Wednesday. They turn scattered, and then we warm up to some sunshine as we dry out for the ends of the week, Thursday and Friday, Gary.
So we sure had a nice run for a while at least.
Yes, the past couple weeks were nice, but now it's a little bit chilly. It's not too bad though. It's in the 50s.
Yeah, that's
so.
for sure. It's not like winter.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Well, a black bear in search of for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And let's get back to the good news. This weekend was pretty nice.
Yes, it was nice. A little bit windy on Saturday, and then after the rain cleared out Sunday, it got a little bit better.
And now some rain for a couple of days.
Yeah, just look at like pop-up showers, like with areas of light drizzle. It's not going to be too bad, and then we dry out on Thursday.
Yeah, look forward to Thursday.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures to start. We will be in the 30s to low 40s this morning, so pretty chilly. 37 degrees in Cooperstown and 34 degrees in Earlville. We are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, with some flurries to the north and pop-up showers possible this afternoon. And tomorrow is going to be very similar to today in terms of the weather, with pop-up showers in the afternoon, a few peaks of sunshine and breezy conditions. We will be seeing more showers move in on Wednesday. They look to be scattered showers at that point, and then we do dry out for temperatures just around average and some sunshine towards the end of the week. So for today, expect cloud cover, a few breaks in the clouds for some sun, pop-up showers possible. We reached the low 50s, and I will talk a little bit more about the chances of rain this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it now. There is no...
Welcome back. This week is going to remain below average. Average as highs reach the low 50s, and we are going to be seeing a few pop-up showers. So both today and tomorrow, it looks like we will be seeing more clouds than sun, with a few breaks in the clouds for some sun later, and pop-up showers develop in the afternoon. They are going to be light, and it looks like it's just going to be a drizzle at times. Then on Wednesday, some more rain does come in, turns into scattered showers, so a wider area. We'll be seeing these rain showers. They will be a little bit heavier. We do dry out for Thursday. We see some sun, and highs reach just around average, and then we start to warm up into the low 60s on Friday, seeing some sun. So if you did want to do any yard work or go outside or do any gardening, you don't need to water for today through Wednesday, as we are expecting to see some rain, even just some drizzle, but then Thursday and Friday it looks to dry out. Gary?
No, 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 yes, yes.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Sadly,
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning, and today will remain chilly as we are below average. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. Cloudy skies to start. Most of our temperatures are in the 30s, but at this point we are dry. A few pop-up showers are possible later. And according to our sky watchers, once again, pretty chilly when heading out the door. I would definitely grab the jacket. Just 34 degrees in Old Forge and Inlet and 39 degrees in Clinton. And if we take a look to the south, we have 39 degrees in Milford and 37 degrees in Cooperstown and in Westford. A little bit breezy today as well. It will remain breezy for tomorrow. And then the winds die down for Wednesday and Thursday. And Thursday is when it does start to warm up to just around average. So it looks like for the beginning of this week, we will be below average in terms of temperatures with highs just in the low 50s. We are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. A few light flurries up north occurring at this point. And today we will be seeing more clouds and sun with a few pop-up showers coming in from the west, and that looks to develop this afternoon. Tomorrow is going to be very similar to today in terms of the weather. Pop-up showers develop in the afternoon, highs just in the low 50s, and then we will be seeing some more scattered showers move through on Wednesday. But we do dry out towards the end of the week on Thursday and Friday, and that's when we look to warm up as well. So although it is going to be on the cooler side this week and we are going to be seeing some rain, the pollen count is still pretty high. So if you do have allergies this week, I would definitely take precautions before you do head outside because the count looks high for at least through Wednesday. So for today on our Skycast, cloudy skies. A few breaks in the clouds are possible, but it does look to remain mostly cloudy. Pop-up showers develop this afternoon. Highs just reach the low 50s with breezy conditions. Then we see some sun right before sunset and partly cloudy skies tonight with the low around freezing. Clouds build back in tomorrow morning and pop-up showers develop in the afternoon once again. Highs reach the low 50s and it will be a little bit breezy. So for today, expect breezy conditions, extra cloud cover, and pop-up showers possible. They are going to be light, kind of like a drizzle. Highs just in the low 50s, and then we dry out tonight, but we do fall below freezing. Then tomorrow, we see the same weather kind of as today. We see clouds, pop-up showers in the afternoon. They're just going to be light like a drizzle. More scattered showers come in on Wednesday, and then we dry out for some sunshine towards the end of the week, Gary.
But a beautiful weekend we had after that brief rain Saturday night into Sunday morning.
Yes, so Saturday I think was pretty nice, just windy, and then Sunday after the rain cleared out was a little bit better.
Now a little chillier, but still not too bad.
Yes, not too bad.
And be sure to like us on Facebook and thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And a lot of folks kicking themselves that they weren't at that game Friday night because it was one for the memory books for sure.
Yeah, it looked like it.
Yeah, that's for sure. They tied it up with, 2 seconds to go in regulation, then won it in overtime. Wow.
Wow, good for them.
Yeah, that's for sure.
But this week we are going to be a little bit chilly to start, and then we'll warm up towards the end of the week.
So not too bad.
Yeah, we'll be in the 50s, so it won't be too cold.
Yeah, and it's not just a steady downpour every day, so.
Yeah, so it should be nice. Let's take a look now at the temperatures to start this morning. We are in the 30s, so it's chilly heading out the door. We have 39 degrees in Whitesboro and Westmoreland and 34 degrees in Earlville with mostly dry conditions on our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We will be seeing a few pop-up showers come up this afternoon, but at this point it looks just to be a light drizzle, and the same thing goes for tomorrow. We then see some heavier scattered showers come in on Wednesday, but still light in nature, not widespread, not too heavy, and then we do dry out for the end of the week, and we start to warm up towards the end of the week as well. So for today, expect highs just in the low 50s, a little bit breezy with a few peaks of sunshine, but we will be seeing pop-up showers possible, and I will talk a little bit more about the chances of rain this week coming up, Gary.
Anna, thank you, and don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. Decision 2020.
The Cooperstown Camp is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are a little chilly this morning, just 40 degrees being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. The wind is starting to pick up as well. It will be breezy today, and we will be seeing cloudy skies this morning with a few peaks of sunshine later, but it is going to remain on the cooler side. Today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, we will be below average in the low 50s. Thursday, right around average in the upper 50s, and then we start to get warmer near and in the low 60s as we head into Friday. So for the beginning of this week, it looks to remain a little bit unsettled. We see pop-up showers for this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon as well. A little bit breezy with more clouds and sun. Light showers come in on Wednesday. They do look scattered at this time, and as we dry out the end of the week. Gary.
Thank you. Clinton Tractor is celebrating
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good Good morning, everybody. We are seeing cloudy skies this morning, and it is a little bit chilly with temperatures just in the 30s. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As you can see, overcast skies to start. It is dry this morning, but I would definitely grab the jacket because it is a little bit chilly according to our sky watchers. Most of us are in the 30s. We have 34 degrees in Old Forge and Inlet and 37 degrees in Westdale. And if we take a look to the south, we have 36 degrees in Evanston and in West Lawrence this morning. So pretty chilly start. We will just reach the low 50s today, which is above average for this time of year. So Nala is saying hi to her neighbor Kirby this morning. And Kirby looks a little bit upset and sad that it's going to be cold with a few pop-up showers. She is loving little Kirby this morning. Looks like her little brother almost. We will be seeing mostly dry conditions today with just pop-up showers, even just areas of light drizzle possible later this afternoon. And here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing that from the west we can see those very, very light showers. Honestly, it looks like just a drizzle at this point, but it does remain mostly cloudy today and unsettled with this weather. And it is going to feel pretty chilly as we are just in the low 50s and it is a little bit breezy. Same weather tomorrow. We will be cloudy and we will be seeing pop-up showers in the afternoon and we will be in the low 50s. Wednesday, heavier showers do come in, but still going to be light and they are going to be scattered. So a bigger area do see these showers, but the good news is that we dry out towards the end of the week and we reach just around average on Thursday. So we will start to warm up on Thursday and on Friday. So on our Skycast today, if you are going to be heading outside today, I would just keep in mind that if you do have allergies, the pollen count is going to be pretty high for most of this week, although it is going to be cool with some showers. So then now to the Skycast, we are going to be seeing those pop-up showers develop just around noon. And at this point, it looks very light, even just a drizzle for some of our spots. We do see a few breaks in the clouds for some sun this evening, right before sunset. But once again, it's going to be breezy and chilly today. Overnight, we do drop to just around freezing, lows in the 30s, and we do see an increase in cloud cover for tomorrow morning with those pop-up showers once again developing early afternoon, and it is going to be breezy again. So for today, expect clouds, but then we see a few peaks of sunshine later. Pop-up showers, even just drizzle is possible. We reach the low 50s, but it will be breezy, and then tonight we fall to just around freezing and we will be dry. Similar weather tomorrow then to compare to today. We see more showers on Wednesday and we dry out and start to warm up towards the end of the week, Gary.
More fall-like almost, right?
Yeah, it does feel a little bit like fall. It's not as chilly as it was at the beginning of last week, but it's still below average.
Yeah, Friday was unbelievable though, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Mid-80s. Hannah, thanks. A black bear in
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And wearing my alma mater colors from Proctor.
Oh, great for you.
Yeah, I
I'm
love
not
that
wearing
color.
any oh, wait. My high school was maroon and blue, so I am too.
All right, good
so
for
that's
us.
good for us. This morning we are going to be chilly. It's going to be cooler this week.
A little change, but it is spring, so we have our ups and downs.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures to start. We are in the 30s. We have 38 degrees in Little Falls, 34 degrees in Earlville and Inlet. And today we will just reach the low 50s and see a few pop-up showers this afternoon. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are still dry now, but once again, those pop-up showers come in this afternoon. They are going to be very light, almost like a drizzle, and the same weather comes in tomorrow as well. Then we see some more scattered showers on Wednesday before we dry out on Thursday and Friday. So for today, expect highs just in the low 50s, breezy, more clouds and sun with those pop-up showers. I will talk a little bit more about rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now. There is no major damage across the North Country today.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out dry this morning, but it is cloudy and it is a little bit chilly. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As you can see, overcast skies to start, and I would grab the jacket because our temperatures at this point, according to our sky watchers, are mainly in the 30s. We have 34 degrees in Old Forge and Inlet and 39 degrees in Clinton. And if we take a look to the south, we have 38 degrees in Lawrence and in Morris. Highs today will just reach the low 50s, and we will be seeing a few pop-up showers. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now. We are just seeing cloudy skies with some light showers developing to the west. At this point, it just looks like we will be seeing pop-up drizzle this afternoon. Nothing heavy at all, and it's not going to be widespread at all either. It's just enough to make it feel a little bit gloomy outside and to keep it cool as we see breezy conditions as well with more clouds and sun. Same thing goes for tomorrow, the same type of weather, and then we will be seeing some more scattered showers, so more of us will be seeing it on Wednesday, but then we do dry out heading into the end of the week on Thursday and a Friday. Although this week is going to be chilly with some rain here and there, the pollen count is still going to be high. It is high this time of year, and at least through Wednesday it's going to be high, so if you do have allergies, I would take the right precautions before heading out the door, at least for today through Wednesday. So today on our Skycast, we do see cloudy skies. A few peaks of sunshine are possible later, but we also see a few pop-up showers possible. Highs just reach the low 50s, and it will be breezy. Tonight we drop around freezing, so it is going to be a pretty chilly night tonight and a pretty chilly start tomorrow again. We will be seeing cloudy skies again tomorrow. A few breaks in the clouds for sunshine are possible later, and once again pop-up showers developing in the afternoon. So for today, expect more clouds than sun, but we see a few peaks of sunshine this evening right before sunset. It's going to be breezy with highs in the low 50s, and tonight we drop to just around freezing, seeing partly cloudy skies. But then tomorrow we see some more clouds move in once again. Very similar day to today with pop-up showers possible this afternoon and highs in the low 50s. We see some more scattered showers moving through on Wednesday afternoon, but then we do dry out towards the end of the week and warm up to just around average for Thursday and Friday.
Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans, and Hannah, some showers out there right around now, right?
Yes, we are just seeing a few isolated showers, even just drizzle at this time. We are going to continue to see cloudy skies and cooler weather today. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we can see, isolated showers moving through. They are very light at this time, nothing too heavy. We are continuing to see cloudy skies as well and cooler than average temperatures. We are just at 47 degrees right now at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome. A little bit of a breeze outside, and once again, still seeing cloudy skies. These pop-up showers will continue for today, and very similar weather is expected for tomorrow. We do see some heavier showers come in on Wednesday. They will be scattered at this time, but then we do look to dry out Thursday, and we warm up a little bit. We reach just around average for both Thursday and Friday as we see some sun move back in. So for today, expect cloudy skies. A few peaks of sun are possible with those isolated showers. Highs are just going to be in the low 50s. I will talk a little bit more about the rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. President Biden is expected to...
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are still tracking mostly cloudy skies now, and we are seeing a few isolated showers. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies, but we are seeing a few breaks in those clouds for some blue skies and some sunshine. But at this point, if we do take a look on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing some isolated showers moving through. Now, altogether, they are pretty light, but we are seeing even some areas of sleet as well. The areas in pink, that looks to be up north and a little bit towards the south. We are also just seeing some green, which are just isolated rain showers moving through, and that will continue for the rest of the afternoon, it looks like. So we will be seeing these isolated showers, Mostly cloudy skies with a few breaks in the clouds possible and a little bit of a breeze coming out of the west. So our sky watchers have us still pretty chilly today, just 46 degrees in Clinton and 39 degrees in Cooperstown. Now our average high temperature for this time of year is 58 degrees, so we will remain below average in temperature, it looks like, for today and for the beginning of this week. So Nala and her neighbor this afternoon are really not happy about that. Today she is saying hi to little Kirby and he looks upset about the rain showers, the sleet, and the cool weather, but it will warm up towards the end of the week, so hopefully Kirby can be a little bit happy about that. So isolated showers continue tomorrow. Tomorrow's day is going to be very similar to today in terms of the weather. Then we see some more showers that are going to be scattered, so more people will see them coming in on Wednesday. We look to dry out towards the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, and we actually start to warm up to just around average for Thursday and Friday as well. So although it is going to be on the cooler side this week, and we are going to be seeing those rain showers, the pollen count is still pretty high. It looks to remain high for most of this week, at least through Wednesday. So if you do have allergies and you are going outside, definitely take the extra precautions for that this week. So on our skycast for the rest of the afternoon, we will be seeing isolated showers, a few breaks in the clouds possible right before sunset for some sunshine. And then tonight we see partly clear skies with some clouds coming in early tomorrow morning, but that allows for a low temperature to fall just around freezing. Tomorrow, very similar to today, more clouds and sun, isolated showers developing in the afternoon with highs just in the low 50s. So for today, a passing shower is possible. Some areas even seeing sleet because we are still pretty chilly. Highs will reach the low 50s. It will be a little bit breezy, and then we see partly cloudy skies with low around freezing tonight. Tomorrow is going to be probably the same day as today in terms of the weather. We see some more rain coming in Wednesday, and then we dry out and start to warm up a little bit for Thursday and Friday. Gary.
Good times ahead.
Yes.
Later in the week. Anna,
Yes.
thanks. A toxic cleanup in weather in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking some isolated showers, even just drizzle at time across the region today, and it is on the cooler side. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As you can see, a lot of greens. We are seeing some light rain showers, also some pink on our radar. We are seeing some isolated sleet, and that is because we are still pretty cool at this hour, and the air aloft is cool enough to produce sleet. So right now, just 47 degrees. This is being measured at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome. A little bit breezy and cloudy skies, but a few breaks in those clouds are possible. So we do remain below average for the beginning of this week with pop-up showers both today and tomorrow. We see some more scattered showers coming on Wednesday, so we will be a little bit heavier and more of our area will see them, but then we start to dry out for Thursday and Friday and it gets a little bit warmer, near 60. So for today, expect isolated showers, a few peaks of sunshine are possible, highs reach the low 50s, and I will talk a little bit more about the rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Boilermaker Road Race is putting
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies now, and it is a bit chilly with some showers. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies for this afternoon. That looks to continue, and we are going to be seeing possibly a few isolated showers as we do remain unsettled. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of greens. We are seeing just drizzle in most of our areas, but there also is some pink. We also are seeing some areas of sleet as well, so keep that in mind when heading out the door. Nothing too heavy at all. This will continue for the rest of the day, even for tomorrow afternoon as well. We also continue to see more clouds than sun and breezy conditions coming out of the west. Our sky watchers have us pretty chilly, just 46 degrees in Clinton and 39 degrees in Cooperstown. Highs today just reached the low 50s, and our average high for this time of year is 58 degrees. So we will stay below that for the beginning of this week, and we will stay on the cooler side. So tomorrow is going to be very similar to today in terms of the weather. We do see some more scattered showers moving on Wednesday. They will be heavier, a little bit heavier, and more of us will be seeing them as they are scattered. But then we start to dry out towards the end of the week for Thursday and Friday, and we do reach right around average for those temperatures towards the end of the week with highs in the upper 50s. But with the cooler weather and the rain, our pollen count is going to be pretty high this week. Today through Wednesday, it's going to be high, so if you do have allergies, definitely take the extra precautions before you step out the door. So for the rest of this afternoon, expect isolated showers to continue. It will remain breezy with highs in the low 50s, and some sun is actually expected right before sunset this evening. Tonight we get chilly. We fall just around freezing, but then we see some clouds build back in tomorrow. And once again, tomorrow late morning, early afternoon, some pop-up isolated showers do look to develop, possibly some sleet mixed in there as well. We will see that continue for the rest of the afternoon tomorrow. And same thing, low 50s, breezy, and some sun is possible right before sunset. So for today, expect a passing shower possible. It's going to be breezy, highs just in the low 50s, and then we drop to around freezing tonight. Tomorrow is going to be very similar to today in terms of the weather. We see more scattered showers moving on Wednesday, and we do dry out to warmer weather for the end of the week. Gary.
Thank you. An 81-year-old woman is being...
We bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. So what can we expect if we're going out for a quick run tonight?
Well, we do have a few showers out there, so it is going to be on the cooler side, but it should be great weather to go for a run. If you're going to be heading out, maybe joining us for Go the Distance tonight. Again, a few showers are hanging around. Temperatures will be in the 40s, so it is going to be on the cooler side. You also might encounter this. This is called graupel. We saw many of areas reporting this today. This picture from Andrew Jones. The process of graupel, it's not snow, it's not sleet. It's something in between. It's made through the process of accretion. And we'll talk a little bit more about this later in the newscast. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Scattered showers continue across central New York. Our temperature is 49 degrees. It's going to be a very changeable weather day, weather evening with sunshine and showers. It's chilly tonight. We'll do this again tomorrow as well as Wednesday with more pop-up showers. The weather does improve later this week. This evening, again, a passing shower, temperatures in the 40s on the cooler side. I've got to look at that forecast coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. It's finally opening day at
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Very changeable weather day across central New York. It's been generally gloomy with clouds and showers, but we do occasionally get some sunshine. Let's take a live look outside. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see a lot of chaos happening on the radar this evening. Almost looks like blotches or maybe like popcorn across the screen. These are showers. They are caused by rising air. And so what's happening here is that in between these showers, we're getting breaks of sunshine, and the sunshine is helping to create the energy that causes more showers. So it's one of those days where the sun does come out, but then that sun helps to generate showers. We'll be seeing this type of weather over the next 2 days. In addition to this, because the air is rising into a very cold environment, we do occasionally get some graupel, or some also called snow pellets, and we'll talk more about that a little bit later. This is a time lapse, and again, this is what I was talking about, how the weather changes so much. Again, those showers roll in, sunshine, more showers. It's been the day we've had. The weather will continue to stay like this as an upper-level storm system drives conditions across the area. Whitesboro, 47, Westmoreland, 51. Temperatures are really driven by areas that have seen sunshine versus rain. For example, Dolgeville, 50, Little Falls, 53, a little more sunshine here. But then you go south, Hamilton getting a shower down to 39, Cooperstown 49, Skenevis with 46. So if you are taking the dog out for a walk this evening, keep the umbrella handy. Even if it's sunny, the weather can change very quickly. We'll have a few lingering showers. We'll see temperatures generally in the 40s this evening. Tonight's featured dog is Rudy from Westmoreland. If you want to be part of this, send your dog photos to Facebook. Search for Bill's Buddies. That's where you can go to be part of this segment of the newscast. Again, this upper level storm system, this low pressure, is driving our weather today. You can see there's just a lot of showers heading to the west, and things are not moving very quickly in the atmosphere. So again, 2 more days of weather similar to this. as we go forward, there will be less showers on Wednesday than, say, tomorrow and today. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again breaks. Those showers do come to an end tonight as we lose the heating of the sun. Temperatures will drop down into the low 30s. Tomorrow, again, more sunshine in the morning, showers in the afternoon. Temperatures climb into the low 50s. And again, similar conditions to Wednesday. Partly cloudy tonight, down to 33. Tomorrow, we're looking at a mix of sunshine and clouds, a few pop-up showers, 53 for the high. Don't be surprised if you see more graupel tomorrow and Wednesday. Temperatures will be in the low 50s. Thursday, Friday, dry weather. Temperatures warm up. We are tracking the possibility of rain on Saturday, a better chance for rain expected Sunday and Monday. And coming up in a few minutes, we're talking about the science behind graupel. What is this and why is this different than, say, sleet or hail, even though they look very similar?
I was talking to my wife today. She was out in Waterville. She said, I think is this hail? What is it, snow, Jay? And I said, I bet you it's graupel. She goes, how would you know? And I said, because I bet you Bill would say it is. And
we'll
I was
explain
right.
what this is all about in a little bit.
I'm looking forward to it. All right, thanks, Bill. Well, 2 separate aircraft incident with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. All right, so let's break this all down. Graupel. And I always spell it wrong. It's Graupel.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's basically something it's not snow, it's not sleet, it's something in between. And it forms from the process called accretion. This is an example of what it looked like. Many of you saw this today. This was in Whitestown at around 3:15 from Becky. The process of this, it starts out as snow, so temperatures aloft have to be below freezing, which they were today, even though we're near 50 degrees. Higher in the atmosphere, it's below 32. And so you have snow that begins, and what it does is it runs into this layer of supercooled water, and it collects. That water collects on the snowflake, and it turns to ice. That's the process of accretion. So snow collecting with ice, and then it hits the ground. Why is this not sleet? It looks like sleet, but sleet forms when rain freezes. And so this is not rain freezing. It's a different process. And how that forms, well, that's another subject. It's basically cold weather thunderstorms, if you will, the process of convection. We're seeing that today on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We'll see more of this tomorrow as well as Wednesday, but weather will improve. We'll see drier conditions and warmer weather by Thursday and Friday. We're tracking those warmer trends coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The United Indian Nation's newest.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Turning out to be a very changeable weather day. Showers, sunshine, showers, sunshine. It's all about the type of weather that we're seeing, all driven by a low pressure. We'll talk about that in just a second. Let me show you what's going on with the radar this evening. And you can see that we have these scattered showers across most of the area. A lot of this is moving in from the west, and the sunshine is helping to create more of these showers. In fact, if we go ahead and take a look at how things have changed over the past hour, you can see, again, things are moving generally from west to east, and where there's been clear areas, they're starting to get some shower development. We will see more of this over the next 2 days. Pop-up showers mainly in the afternoon. Once we head into this evening, once we lose the heat of the sun, a lot of these showers will fall apart. Here's a time lapse of the day. This is a look at our Utica National Tower camera in Cooperstown. Again, showers, sunshine. You can see the flag waving around at times, especially as those showers move in. It's pretty chilly out there, too. Temperatures are in the 40s for most areas. We will see more showers tomorrow and Wednesday, so if you're looking to do yard work, we'll put it down as a maybe both days. Thursday looks to be a better day, especially Friday. Friday looks to be the nicest day of the week. Sky watchers, temperatures are all dependent on which areas are seeing rain, which areas are not. Barnevelt's 50, Mohawk 47, but it is chilly in parts of the Adirondacks. Old Forge 39, Inlet 42. Across Southern Valleys, Paynes Hollow 50, Westford 45, 43 in Milford, as well as Edmonston 45 degrees in Secoit. The radar and satellite image shows a lot more of this weather is to the west. And again, this is upper level low pressure driving these showers, and cooler temperatures will be settling in over the next couple of days. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again. Once we lose the heating of the sun, skies are expected to clear out. Partly cloudy tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s. Tomorrow morning, temperatures start out in the 30s, so it's a chilly start to the day, but we should see some breaks of sunshine. And like today, as we get the sunshine, we'll see some pop-up showers in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will climb into the low 50s. Tomorrow night, again, clearing out again, down into the 30s. We'll do this again on Wednesday, starting out dry, and then as the sun comes out, more pop-up showers. There'll be less of them Wednesday compared to tomorrow, but again, we're still underneath the same general weather pattern. Partly cloudy skies tonight, down to 33. Tomorrow, looking at mix of sunshine and clouds. Again, pop-up showers in the afternoon, 53 for the high. More of these Wednesday, 53. The weather dries out Thursday, and it warms up. We're 58 in the afternoon, into the mid-60s Friday. Showers possibly returning Saturday, a better bet for rain on Sunday and Monday of next week with highs in the upper 50s. We'll be right back.
Bill Curtis.
Today, a very changeable weather day, showers, cool weather. Some folks getting some graupel today. This is not quite snow, not quite sleet. It's not hail. It's something in between. It's caused by snow encountering some supercooled water droplets. And so it has that shape of sleet, but it's white and it's not clear as sleet would be. This picture, by the way, Andrew Jones in New Hartford. And we're seeing more scattered showers this evening. As we lose the heating of the sun, a lot of these showers will fall apart. They've been driven by the sun. And it's going to be a chilly one out there tonight. Current temperature is 49 degrees. We'll drop into the low 30s tonight. Some pop-up showers return tomorrow as well as Wednesday, but then we start to dry out and warm up as we head into the end of the week. A passing shower this evening, temperatures in the 40s. Again, tracking some chilly weather heading into tonight. You're going to look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. It's had a lot of people talk.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Changeable weather today, sunshine, showers, although it's been gloomier than bright. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and you can see what's going on. We've got these pop-up showers. They're being driven by the heating of the sun, which means we're seeing the most of them in the late afternoon to early evening, which is, again, right now. As the sun gets lower in the sky, a lot of these showers will be falling apart. They're very slowly moving in from the west. And occasionally, in some of the heavier showers, you're getting some graupel that's mixing in as cooler air aloft makes it to the ground. We do have the things that drive this type of precipitation. We'll see more of this tomorrow as well as Wednesday as an upper level low pressure system sits over us. This time lapse illustrates today's weather. This is downtown Utica. Again, cloudy, showers, but then a few minutes later, the sun eventually comes back out, and then the sun drives energy to create more showers, which will eventually fall apart and you get more sunshine. And that's kind of weather we'll be seeing here over the next couple of days. And again, some of this does include graupel. Again, that not quite snow, not quite sleet, but it certainly does look like it. This picture from Becky over in Whitestown around 3:15. As we look at the weather going forward, it does improve. We will see dry conditions by Thursday. If you're looking to do some yard work, tomorrow and Wednesday go down as a maybe because we will be seeing some pop-up showers during the afternoon. But if you can catch it just right and you're willing to work around the weather, those could be decent days to get out. Barneveld, 50 degrees, Mohawk, 47, Old Forge, 39. Clinton, 45 degrees across Southern Valleys. Edmonston, 43, 48 in Newport, 50 in Paynes Hollow, 43 degrees in Milford. Upper level low pressure driving our weather today, and you can see a lot more of it to the west. And as things don't move very much, this is going to be our weather for the next 2 days. We will see less showers on Wednesday compared to today and tomorrow, though. Our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, once we get towards sunset, skies will clear out, partly cloudy tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. Tomorrow morning, we'll start out chilly. Temperatures in the 30s, clouds in the morning, giving way to sunshine. But again, that sunshine is going to help create more of those showers in the afternoon. Temperatures will climb into the low 50s. Tomorrow night, partly cloudy skies. Overnight lows fall below 40. A lot of us will be in the 30s. And then we do this again on Wednesday, sunshine, more pop-up showers Wednesday afternoon. Once again, temperatures in the low 50s. Partly cloudy tonight, down to 33. Tomorrow, mix of sunshine and clouds, a few pop-up showers in the afternoon, a high of 53. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, Wednesday, more of the same, but improving conditions. Thursday and Friday, a return to sunshine, and it does warm up. We'll be in the mid-60s Friday. Possibility of some showers on Saturday, a better bet for rain on Sunday and Monday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6, a local student athlete. At the forecast tonight, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're talking grapple.
Yeah, quite a bit of it today we had, and different all over the area, so it wasn't just a little isolated event.
I think we're going to have more tomorrow and maybe even into Wednesday, too. Let's talk about it. Well, first of all, this is what it looks like. It's not sleet. It's not hail. It's not snow. This picture from Andrew Jones in New Hartford. So what is it? Well, let's talk about it. Grapple is something that is created through the process of accretion. Accretion is when ice collects supercooled water on it. So you have a snowflake falling through the atmosphere. Can remember, even on days like today, you can get snow higher up in the cloud because it's colder. So even those 50 degrees at the surface, you go a couple thousand feet high is below freezing. You have a snowflake falling through the cloud. It's collecting water on it as it comes down. That water freezes onto that snowflake, and each one of those ends starts to melt until it becomes basically a frozen ball on its way to the ground. Now, the difference between this and sleet is that sleet will melt and then refreeze. So when you look at sleet, it looks clear. Grapple doesn't look clear. It's very much, you can very much see that it's opaque, it looks white. And again, it's a unique thing. It doesn't happen very often, but it's something that does happen this time of the year. Live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar again. Just a couple of sprinkles out there this evening. Temperature-wise, we're 39 degrees and falling. We'll drop down into the low 30s tonight under partly cloudy skies. Again, more unsettled weather tomorrow and Wednesday. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. President Biden set to formally announce.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some cooler weather tonight and a couple of leftover lingering sprinkles on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. For the most part, we will get a chance to dry out tonight. We'll see more pop-up showers as we head into the day tomorrow. Have a look at a time lapse from our Oneonta tower camera. This was this afternoon, and you can see the showers moving away, a few breaks of sunshine, and then watch the fog roll in after dark. It's pretty neat to see as it kind of just rolls over the hills here. There will be some patchy fog in areas that saw a decent amount of rain today, so be on the lookout for that first thing tomorrow morning. Now, with this warmer weather that we've been getting, a lot of you have been trying to get out and start taking care of the yard. If you're looking to do yard work over the next couple of days, tomorrow, Wednesday, go down as a maybe, just because you're going to have to work around some showers, but you can do it. Thursday looks to be the better day to maybe get out and do maybe mowing the lawn. I know that the grass is starting to grow. A reminder, as we get closer to planting season, that it's still too early to go out and plant anything that's sensitive to frost. We don't see our last frost until usually early to mid-May across the Mohawk Valley, so we're still a few weeks away from that. The higher elevations typically see their last frost in late May, and it sometimes takes until early June to see the last frost in some of the higher elevations of the Adirondacks. The radar and satellite image showing low pressure driving our weather today. A lot of these showers are caused by the heating of the sun, so they tend to fall apart at night, but they come back during the day. And that cycle is what we're going to see tomorrow. We'll see mostly cloudy skies to start tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s. A few breaks of sunshine, but then also some showers pop up in the afternoon and evening. They don't last for long. And like today, we'll see very changeable weather conditions in the afternoon with rain, showers, and sunshine mixed together. Heading into tomorrow night, the weather does dry out. We'll drop down into the low 30s. And then on Wednesday, we do this again. We'll see sunshine in the morning, a few sprinkles in the afternoon. I think we'll see less showers Wednesday compared to tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies tonight, down to 33. Tomorrow, the sun is out, but then so are the rain showers in the afternoon, a high of 53. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Another pop-up shower possible Wednesday, 53. The weather looks nice Thursday and Friday, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures are in the mid-60s Friday, the warmest day of the next 7. Maybe some rain Saturday, a better bet for rain Sunday, and Monday temperatures in the upper 50s. So a little bit cooler than normal, but we're not that far away from average, unlike this time last week.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
And then we get a little taste of it again at the end of the week, and then, all right, let's calm down.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Bill. Coming up next, 2 fire forecast tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, and we are talking Grapple, and
Yeah,
just
talking
looking at
Grapple.
it close up like this, it almost looks a little like rock salt.
Yeah, it does. And this is very much confused with sleet, hail. I mean, they all look very similar.
Sure.
This picture from Andrew Jones taken today in New Hartford. We are going to see more grapple tomorrow. Let me explain what this is all about and why this is different than sleet and hail. It's all about how this forms. Grapple forms through the process of accretion. That is when a snowflake, which is made of ice, falls through supercooled water in the atmosphere, and it collects that water, and it basically turns into a frozen snowflake, a frozen ball. Another name for grapple is snow pellets. And this happens when there's a lot of rapidly rising air. You want to remember, too, since we are talking about snow, this is happening in the cloud a couple thousand feet up. Just because on a day like today, temperatures in the 50s on the ground level still means that it's snowing a couple thousand feet up. And when you get grapple, it tends to survive the trip to the ground if the air is rising rapidly enough. And again, conditions favor this type of weather again tomorrow as well as Wednesday. Pretty quiet out there on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar this evening. Temperature-wise, we're down to 37 degrees, mostly clear skies. We'll drop down into the low 30s tonight under partly cloudy skies. Again, unsettled weather tomorrow. We're tracking some nicer weather, though, later in the week. A look at the forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. President Biden set to formally announce.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Relatively quiet night out there. A couple of lingering sprinkles taking place, but for the most part, the weather is going to be dry tonight and chilly, with a lot of places dropping down into the low 30s. Here's a time lapse of late this afternoon, early this evening, and into tonight. This is from our tower cam overlooking Oneonta. You can see the rain showers moving away. But check this out. As the sun sets, the fog rolls in. Areas that have had some rainfall, especially some heavier rain showers, will likely see some patchy fog overnight, and that will last into tomorrow morning. Looking to do some yard work over the next couple of days. I'll put Tuesday and Wednesday down as a maybe. You're going to have to work around the weather. We'll have some showers both afternoons. Thursday looks completely dry. The grass is growing. Maybe it's just going out and cleaning up the sticks in the yard, or maybe it's doing the first mow. If you're looking to do that, again, Thursday looks to be the better of the 3 days. A reminder, too, as we get closer to planting season, if we're talking about plants that are sensitive to frost, we don't see our last frost in the Mohawk Valley until typically the middle of May. It's usually the second week of May. That's the average date of the last frost. For late May and the hilltops surrounding the Mohawk Valley. So again, if you're thinking about planting, you're going to want to wait a few more weeks here. We're not quite there yet. So you look at the radar and satellite image, again, unsettled weather today. A lot of these showers are driven by the heating of the sun. So you see a lot more of them in the beginning of this image here because, again, that was in the afternoon time. We'll see more activity tomorrow afternoon as the sun comes out, it heats up the ground, it creates these showers, especially in the afternoon time. Tonight, partly cloudy, overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. Tomorrow, we'll start out with some clouds. We'll see sunshine in the afternoon, and that will help generate some scattered showers. Again, mostly rain showers. Some of the heavier showers could see some graupel again. Temperatures will be in the low 50s. Tomorrow night, the weather dries out. Looking at overnight lows in the low 30s. We do this again on Wednesday, although I think we'll see less showers Wednesday as a whole compared to tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 50s. Partly cloudy tonight, down to 33. Tomorrow, pretty decent day, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Again, watch out for a few pop-up showers, a high of 53. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. More showers possible Wednesday, 53. Dry Thursday and Friday, nice days, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Warmest day looks to be Friday, 64. There's the chance for rain on Saturday, but a better bet for widespread rain on Sunday and Monday with highs in the upper 50s. We'll be right back.